Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use TradingView charts in Zerodha. First, log into your Zerodha Kite account. Once logged in, select any stock or instrument to open its chart. You will find the option to switch to the TradingView chart layout. This integration provides a powerful and familiar charting experience directly within your trading platform, offering a seamless transition for analysis and execution. Once you are on the TradingView chart, you can explore its extensive features. Easily switch between different chart types, such as candlesticks, bars, or lines. Adjust timeframes from as short as 1 minute to as long as 1 month, tailoring your view to your trading strategy. You can also apply numerous technical indicators, like moving averages or RSI, to enhance your analysis and save your customized layouts. A key advantage of this integration is the ability to trade directly from the chart. Simply right-click on the chart or use the order panel to place buy or sell orders. You can also set price alerts at specific levels, ensuring you never miss a crucial market move. Visually manage your open positions and pending orders, making your trading workflow highly efficient and intuitive, all within one interface. To get the most out of your TradingView charts in Zerodha, remember a few best practices. Always keep your Zerodha Kite application updated to access the latest features and improvements. Experiment with various indicator combinations to find what best suits your trading style. Consider practicing with virtual funds first to familiarize yourself with the tools before live trading. Regularly reviewing your past trades on the chart can also provide valuable learning insights.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.